Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. I'm Agristiya Rahayu from University of Muhammadiyah Sorong. I will show the influence of job stress on the intention to change jobs through employee engagement. A study on millennial generation employees. Okay, introduction. The desire to change jobs has become a serious problem in the field of management related to high employee turnover. The emergence of desire to change jobs is usually followed by employee behavior that begins to look for job opportunities in better place. So, the desire to change jobs are organizational commitment, job satisfaction, satisfaction with salary, satisfaction with working condition, workload, and work stress. So the third, high stress levels can put pressure on employees emotionally, which causes a decrease in work quality. The Mercer Indonesia Career Business Leader Survey found that 17% of employees who choose to leave the company were due to high stress level. On the other hand, one in four employers who chase jobs were the company's best talents. Losing quality employers has a big impact on the stability of organization, especially if the employer holds an important position. The company is required to prepare employees who are commensurate to fill the position left behind in order to avoid high recruitment costs. However, different results were presented by Suswati 2020, where work stress doesn't have a significant effect on the desire to change jobs. Okay, the phenomenon of the desire to change job is related to the generational transition in the world of work. According to Praduswara et al. 2021, currently there are several generations in the company, including the traditionalist generation born before 1943, baby boomers, 1943 to 1960 generation X, 1960 until 1980, and generation Y or millennials 1980 until 2000. According to the Central Statistic Agency of Indonesia 2022, the millennial generation will take control of the wheels of development, especially in the economic sector, which is expected to lead the Indonesian nation towards more advanced and dynamic development. However, on the other hand, 42% of the millennial generation have the desire to change jobs because of basic consideration of the work environment. Okay, so this is the table of Central Statistic Agency of Sorong City. The advantage of millennial is working or familiarity in communication, media, and digital technology, which makes them better understand the latest technology, more creative in the generating new ideas, informative and productive. And millennials want something that it is fast, short time, dynamic, creative, close to social media, and easy to change jobs in short time. Okay, work stress was measured using an instrument form consisting of 6 indicators: personal behavior, social support, role conflict, pure environment, work under load, and work home conflict. The variable of desire to change job was measured using an instrument form with 3 indicators: talk of quitting, intention to seek alternative, and intention to quit. The mediating variable of employee engagement was measured using an instrument form with three indicators of vigor, dedication, and absorption. Okay, so the conclusion from this presentation, the first, summarize the main points of the paper including the problem, methodology, findings, and implication. Emphasize the contribution of this study to the field. The study aims to determine the effect of work stress on turnover, intention, thought, the mediation variable of employee engagement. The results of study indicate that low work stress can reduce turnover intention. So, social support plays an important role for employers in overcoming work stress that arises, which has an impact on low turnover intention. So the second, on other hand, employer engagement does not affect the desire to move jobs. This is due to the respondent's age factor. A relatively young age is considered to be still productive and has a tendency to move jobs because they are looking for new experience. You employers still have the opportunity to get jobs according to their capacity, strive for a larger salary range, and also have the right to the desire to develop a career. Geographical location considerations can be a factor in the desire to move jobs. The development